Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download all the raw data from Mixpanel. Okay, so first up, go ahead and log into your Mixpanel account. And once you're in here, go to the left panel and click on Lexicon. Okay, just click on it, and once done, in the right hand side, just go ahead and select the event type that you would like to export. Okay, for example, under types right here, I would like to select Mixpanel events. Then I'm going to select all if I want to, or select just one. Okay, once done, I'm just going to go ahead and go to the top right and click on export. It says here, we will email the email that is tied to your Mixpanel account, a CSV file of your selections. Okay, for example, events and properties, user profile properties. And if you want to use legacy export format, go ahead and do so. If not, just leave it blank. Okay, hit on send CSV. It says here, your CSV download is currently being prepared. So just go ahead and open up Gmail. As it says earlier, mine is at my Gmail account. Okay, as you can see, I just received the email. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on it and just download the CSV. Wait for the download page to pop up. Save it wherever you want. Rename it if you want to. Just hit on save. Wait for the download process to finish. And once done, close the browser. And here you have your raw data from Mixpanel. Okay, you can now go ahead and hit on export if you want to, or extract. There you have it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.